Good morning, students. I am your Sanskrit teacher, Mr. Parikshit Rana. Welcome you all in my YouTube channel. Friends, today we will discuss our unit number 5. The title of this unit is Gunvati Kanya. The English translation of this title is Virtuous Girl. Now look here the introduction of this unit. Unit 5 Gunvati Kanya. I am going to read this paragraph. I will read only first paragraph. The introduction is given in this first paragraph. Poet Dandi is well known as a prose writer. It is not a Dandi but Dandi. So the writer of this unit Gunvati Kanya is Dandi. Keep in mind. Remember this. So well known as prose writer in Sanskrit literature. He has written a prose work named Das Kumar Charitam. Its theme is imaginative. 10 Kumaras, as it was decided, start traveling in 10 different directions. During the journey, whatever every Kumar has experienced is described in 10 Uchvas. Uchvas means 10 chapters or sections of this work. In the 6th Uchvas, in the 6th chapter, Mantragupt describes his own experience. Here Mantragupt is one Kumar out of these 10. So Mantragupt describes his own experience of journey. At this juncture, he narrates the story of Shakti Kumar. So Shakti Kumar is the hero of this story. This story has been edited and presented here in brief. Here is in these two paragraphs the story is given, but I will not explain or dictate the story. We will try to understand the story by reading each and every line. Okay? So look here the first paragraph of this unit. Kanchi Nagare. Nagar means city and Kanchi is the name. So in the city Kanchi, Shakti Kumaro Nama Ekah Shreshtiputrah. Shreshtiputrah means son of merchant. Name Shakti Kumar. So there was one son of merchant named Shakti Kumar. Prati Vasati Sma. Prati Vasati Sma means lived. So the translation of this line is a son of merchant named Shakti Kumar lived in the city named Kanchi. Okay. Now the second line. So Yada Swakiyasya. Swakiyasya means his own, and Sah means he. Yada means when. Jivanasya of life. Shashti vibhakti. Sya word aaya na idhar. It means it is a Shashti vibhakti. Shashti ekvachan. So Jivanasya Dvavinsati tame varse. Dvavinsati means 22nd verse. Pravishta means enters. तदा then. यहाँ एडवर्ब भी यूज हुआ है यदा एंड तदा मीन्स when and then. चिंतम आपन्नः became worried या तो started worrying. आप दोनों में से कुछ भी लिख सकते हो. became worried. न अस्ति नास्ति नहीं, न अस्ति दार विहीनानाम. Dar Vihinana means Dara. Yaha means Dara means Dara. Dara means wife. The opposite word of this Dara is Bharta. Bharta means husband. So Na Asti Dar Vihinanam. So without wife. And Anurup Gun दाराणाम, विदाउट दी वर्च्युअस वाइफ, यहाँ पर कहा है कि विदाउट वाइफ, एंड अनुरूप गुण दाराणाम मीन्स विदाउट वर्च्युअस wife. Cha sukham. So he wanted to say that no one is happy without wife and without virtuous wife. So exact translation of this line is, when he entered 22nd year of his life, when he entered 22nd year of his life, he started worrying, या तो फिर he became worried. न अस्ति दार विहीनानाम अनुरूप गुणधारणाम च सुखम. Those who do not have wife and without virtuous wife cannot be happy. So no one is happy without wife and without virtuous wife. Now this next line, तत् कथम गुणवतीं भार्यायाम अहम विंदेयम इति. Then how, tat katham, then how, gunavati means virtuous, bharyam means wife, aham means I, vindeyam iti, this is a participle, I may get. The meaning of this word, I may get. So the translation of this line, then how I may get a virtuous wife, question mark. Now the next paragraph. So in the first paragraph, what happened? Shakti Kumar is the son of merchant and he wanted to marry with a girl, but he does not want to marry only a girl, he want a virtuous wife. So he wanted to marry with a virtuous girl. Okay. Now the next paragraph. Tatah means then, sa means he, prabhutam vicharyam, prabhutam means deeply, and vicharyam means thinking. Vastra ante, vastrante, vastraha ante. So at the end of his cloth, pinadha shalihi. Pinadha salihi, salihi means paddy, and pinadha means tied. Bandhna, T-I-E-D, tied. Dar grahanaya, to get a wife. Vividhan desan, different countries. Abhramat, yani moved. So the exact translation of this line is, then thinking deeply, he tied paddy at the end of his cloth and move in different directions of the world to get a wife. Once again I repeat, then thinking deeply, he who has tied paddy at the end of the cloth move in different countries to get a wife. Now the next line, ekada means once, sa means he, Kaveri tirpattane means at the bank of the river Kaveri. Samagataha means arrived. So once he arrived at the bank of the river Kaveri. So atra sah kupe viral bhushanam. Here the meaning viral bhushanam. विरल भूषणाम का मतलब जिन्होंने विरल आभूषण पहने हैं वैसे नहीं, परंतु विरल मीन्स LESS लेस एंड भूषणाम मीन्स ऑर्नामेंट्स, जिसने बहुत ही कम आभूषण पहने हैं वैसी. कुमारीम एकाम, वन गर्ल, अपश्यत मीन्स सॉ. So the translation of this line, atra, here he saw a girl with less ornaments near the well. कूपे यहाँ है ना, इसीलिए नियर द वेल हमें लिखना पड़ेगा. सो हियर ही सॉ अ गर्ल विथ लेस ऑर्नामेंट नियर द वेल. तस्या रूप संपदा अभिभूतः. रूप संपदा अभिभूतः. अभिभूतः मीन्स इम्प्रेस, एंड रूप संपदा. रूप संपदा means prosperity in the form of her beauty. सह अचिंतयत, he thought. So the translation of this line, impressed by the prosperity in the form of her beauty, he thought. आकुष्टम मे हृदयम अस्याम. आकुष्टम means attracted. Akustam means attracted. Me hridayam, my heart. Ashyam yani toward her. So the translation of this line, my heart is attracted toward her. तद एताम परीक्ष्य. परीक्ष्य means test, TEST. So तद एताम परीक्ष्य विवाह प्रस्तावम कृत्वा. So विवाह प्रस्तावम कृत्वा means proposed her. तस्याम सम्मतो, if she agrees. सम्मतो means agrees. उद्दहामि, I will marry her. Uddahami means I will marry her. तद एताम परीक्ष्य विवाह प्रस्तावम कृत्वा तस्याम सम्मतो उद्दहामि. Now the translation of this line is, so having taken the test of her, proposed her, if she agrees, I will marry her. Okay. सताम निकषाम संगत्य सविनयम आह. निकषाम संगत्य, going near to her. So sa means he. ताम निकषाम संगत्य, having gone near her, या तो going near to her. Savinayam aha. Aha means said. Said politely. Savinayam means savinayam. ये adverbial compound है. With politeness यानी politely. So going near her, he said politely. क्या कहा उसने? अस्ति ते कौशलम साली प्रस्थेन अनेन संपन्नम आहारम माम भोजयितुम. अब देखो यहां पर अस्ति ते कौशलम यानी हैव यू स्किल. तुम्हारे अंदर कोई स्किल है. कैसी स्किल? संपन्नम आहारम, टू कुक फूड. संपन्नम आहारम मीन्स टू कुक फूड. माम भोजयितुम मीन्स and to feed me. To feed me sali prasthen, with one prasth paddy. So once again I translate, have you skill to cook food and feed me with one prasth paddy? Okay. So in this second paragraph, when Shakti Kumar moved in different parts of the world, at that time, once upon a time, he reached near at the bank of the river Kaveri, and at the bank of the river Kaveri, near the well, he has seen one girl with less ornament, and his heart attracted toward her. So he decided to propose her, and he also decided to take a test of her. So he reached near her and asked her politely that have you a skill to prepare a different food items and feed me? Okay, so this is the explanation and translation of this second paragraph. Now next paragraph. ततः सा ओम इति उक्त्वा प्रस्थमात्रं धन्यम् आदाय सृष्टिपुत्रस्य याचना अनुसारं कर्तुं प्रवृत्ता. First of all the meanings. Tatah means then, sa means see, om iti uktva, saying om. You can write yes also, yes, yes. Prasthamatram dhanyam adaya. So bringing the one prasth paddy. Sreshti putrasya yachana anusar, as per the request of the son of merchant, Kartrum Pravruta, became ready to do, or we can say proceeded to do. So the translation of this line, then saying Om and accepting one prasth paddy, she proceeded to carry out the request of merchant son, New line. Tatah आदौ सा बुद्धिमतीं कन्या तान् शालीन प्रथमम् आतपे तप्तवती. Then आदौ सा बुद्धिमतीं कन्या, highly intelligent girl, तान् शालीन, that paddy, प्रथमम, first of all, आतपे तप्तवती, heated in the heat. So the translation of this line, then that highly intelligent girl heated that paddy, तान् शालीन, that paddy, in the sunshine, या तो heat. Once again I repeat, then first of all, that highly educated girl heated that paddy in the sunshine. ततः समायां परिशुद्धया भूमौ तान् अघटयत. Tatah means then, Samayam means level, and Parishuddhaya means clean, Bhumo means land, Aghatayat yani grinded. So the translation of this line, then she grinded it on the level and clean ground. अनेन तुषेभ्य तंडुलाः, अनेन तुषेभ्य तत् तंडुलाः पृथक सज्जाताः. अनेन means in this way. त्रुषेभ्यः, त्रुषः means husk, and तंडुलाः means rice, and पृथक सज्जाताः, separated. So in this way she separated the rice from the husk. Now new line. तंडुलान् संप्राप्य सा तृषान् भूषणानां मार्जनार्थं स्वर्णकाराय विक्रेतुं धात्रीम् अकथयत. Now new character enter, Dhatri. Dhatri is a vet nurse. It is a vet nurse. घर में जो परिचारिका होती है, नौकरानी होती है, उसके लिए ये वर्ड यूज हुआ है धात्री. सो तंडुलान संप्राप्य, हैविंग टेकन दी राइस, सा सी तुषान भूषणानां मार्जनार्थं स्वर्णकराय विक्रेतुं धात्रीम् अकथयत. सी told the vet nurse to sell it to the what? To sell it means what? Husk. Once again I repeat, having taken the rice, she told her wet nurse to sell the husk to the Marjanatha. Marjanatha means goldsmith. To make his ornaments, Bhushanana means to make his ornaments. Swarna karaya means clean. Okay. Once again I repeat, having taken the rice, she asked the wet nurse to sell it to the goldsmith to clean ornaments. तस्मात् यत धनम मिलती, फ्रॉम दैट मनी, उसमें से जो भी धन प्राप्त हो उसमें से. सो फ्रॉम वी कैन से फ्रॉम ऑब्टेनिंग दैट मनी. तेन काष्ठानि आहर. टू आहर मीन्स टू ब्रिंग और टू परचेज. परचेज इज अ suitable word. And purchase काष्ठानि, firewood. इति च धत्रीं निवेदितवती. Niveditwati means to instructed or to requested. So from that money she requested the wet nurse to purchase firewood. Okay. Next paragraph. Dhatri kasthani anitvati. Wet nurse bring the. This is a story always we can write in past tense, so that we will write brought in place of bring. So wet nurse brought the firewood. Tadantaram sa tandulan askrut jalen prakshalitvati. Then, tadantaram, after that, ya to then, she prakshalitvati means wash. तंडुलान मीन्स राइस. अस्कृत जलेन. अस्कृत का मतलब आपकी टेक्स्ट बुक में वेरी ऑफन ऐसा लिखा हुआ है. सो सी वॉश द राइस. वी कैन से सी वॉश द राइस मैनी टाइम्स. यहाँ पर ऑफन का मतलब हम लिखेंगे मैनी टाइम्स. सो द एग्जैक्ट ट्रांसलेशन, देन सी वॉश द राइस many times with water. Then she washed the rice many times with water and उष्णीकृते जले च तान प्रक्षिप्तवती. प्रक्षालितवती का मतलब होता है वॉश, एंड यहाँ पर प्रक्षिप्तवती का मतलब होता है टू पुट. सो टू पुट इट ऑन दी उष्णीकृते जलेन. वी कैन से टू put them into the hot water. उष्णीकृत जले मीन्स इन दी हॉट वाटर. ये जले जो वर्ड है वो जल अ एंडिंग, तो जले मीन्स इन द वाटर. रामे मीन्स इन द राम, बाले मीन्स इन द बॉय, लाइक दैट. जले मीन्स इन द वाटर. दिस इज अ 7th सिंगुलर विभक्ति फॉर्म. अल्पीयसा कालेनैव तंडुलाः सिद्धाः सज्जाताः. अल्पीयसा कालेने इव. So within a short period of time, तंडुलाः सिद्धाः सज्जाताः. The rice were cooked. So we can say the rice were cooked within a short period of time. ततः ईंधनानि जलेन समयित्वा. आफ्टर समयित्वा मीन्स एक्सटिंग्विश. ईंधनानि मीन्स फायरवुड. जलेन विथ वाटर, यानी देन एक्सटिंग्विश द फायरवुड विथ वाटर. कृष्ण अंगारान अपि. कृष्ण अंगारान मीन्स कोल. लकड़ी जल जाने के बाद जो कोल निकलता है उसमें से, उसको कृष्ण अंगारान ऐसा संस्कृत में कहा जाता है। तो कृष्ण अंगारान मीन्स कोल। कृष्ण अंगारान अपि तद अर्थिभ्यः प्रेषयित्वा द कोल टू द तद अर्थिभ्य, जिसको उसकी जरूरत है वैसे, नीडेड पीपल, तो नीडी पीपल, प्रेषयित्वा टू सेल, यत धनम लब्धम, जो भी धन प्राप्त हो, द मनी विच ऑब्टेन, तेन धनेन, बाय दैट मनी, साकम, साकम मीन्स वेजिटेबल, ध्रुतम means ghee, and tailam, sakam means vegetable, dhrutam means ghee, दधी यानी दही यानी कर्ड, and tailam means oil. Kritavati, Kritavati means purchased. So the translation of this line: after extinguish this wood by water, after extinguish this wood by water, and having sent the coal, presayitva krishna angarani, then having sent, having sold the coal to the needy people, tad arthibhya, to the needy people, she purchased, she kritavati यानी she purchased vegetable, sakam vegetable, ghee, curd and oil from earned money, yat dhanam labdam, from earned, EARNED, earned money. Okay, तेन च सा विविधानि व्यंजनानि संपादितवती, सा means सी, विविधानि व्यंजनानि, different food items, sampaditwati means prepared. So then she prepared different food items. Okay, संपन्ने आहारे सा कन्या धत्रिमुखेन अतिथये प्रथमं स्नातुं निवेदितवती. Niveditavati means requested. Sampanne ahare, when the food was ready. Sa kanya, that girl, dhatri mukhen, through the wet nurse. Atithaye, to the guest. Prathamam snatum, to take the bath. So once again I repeat, संपन्ने आहारे सा कन्या धात्री मुखेन अतिथये प्रथमं स्नातुं निवेदितवती. So when the food was ready, संपन्ने आहारे, when the food was ready, she requested, निवेदितवती means she requested the guest through the wet nurse to take bath. स्नातुं, to take bath. ततः स्नान शुद्धाय तस्मै अतिथये सा पेयो उपहार पूर्वम. अब पेयो उपहार पूर्वम मीन्स ये एंड ध्रुत सहितम ओदनम. These are the food items. So the meanings are also written in your glossary or notes. Look here. Peyo upahar purvam means with drinks and snacks, and dhrut sahitam audanam means rice cooked with ghee, rice cooked with ghee, and peyo upahara with drinks and snacks. Okay, so look here once again. Tatah snan suddhaya tasme atithaye, when the guest has taken bath, sa, that girl, offered, what she offered? Peyo upahar purvam, different food items like dhrut sahitam odanam means rice with ghee, and peyo upahar purvam means with drinks and snacks to that guest. We can write in this way also. Then she offered different food items like rice with ghee and drinks with snacks to that guest who had taken bath. Okay, now the last paragraph. मध्ये मध्ये meanwhile भोजन आदीनां विविधानां पदार्थानां वर्णनं कृत्वा talking about the variety of different food items. अतिथेः भोजन रुचिम अवर्धयत. अवर्धयत means increase the interest of guest in food. Okay, so meanwhile she was talking about the variety of food to increase the interest of guest in food. भुक्ते तु तस्मिन् अतिथौ. After taking bath, तांबुल means betel, leaf of betel. कई लोगों को खाना खाने के बाद एज अ माउथ फ्रेशर पान खाने की आदत होती है. तो यहाँ पर भी ऐसा ही कहा गया है. तांबुल मीन्स लीफ ऑफ बीटल. तो उसने कौन सी व्यवस्था की? लीफ ऑफ बीटल की व्यवस्था की. भुक्ते तु तस्मिन् अतिथौ तांबुल अस्यापि व्यवस्था कृता. शी हैज also arranged a leaf of betel when the guest completed his meal. एवं in this way स्वकीयया गुण संपदा प्रस्थ परिमितेन. स्वकीयया means her own. गुण संपदा प्रस्थ परिमितेन. Gun Sampada Prastha Parimiten means a girl who had made different food items by her intelligence. धान्येन विविधानि व्यंजनानि विरचितवती कन्यां प्रति समाकुष्ट शक्ति कुमार विवाहस्य प्रस्तावं कृतवान्. Once again यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं. शक्ति कुमार विवाहस्य प्रस्तावं कृतवान्. शक्ति कुमार प्रपोज्ड द गर्ल. प्रस्थ परिमितेन धान्येन विविधानि व्यंजनानि विरचितवती who had prepared a different food items by one prasth paddy. One prasth पैडी. और यहाँ पर है स्वकीय गुण संपदा मीन्स विथ रिचनेस ऑफ हर ओन क्वालिटी. गुण संपदा मीन्स विथ रिचनेस ऑफ हर ओन क्वालिटी. तो हमें यहाँ से स्टार्ट करना पड़ेगा ट्रांसलेशन. सो शक्ति कुमार विवाहस्य प्रस्तावं कृतवान्. शक्ति कुमार प्रपोज द गर्ल हु हैड मेड डिफरेंट फूड आइटम्स. विविधानि व्यंजनानि विरचितवती who had made different food items by one prasth paddy. Prasth parimiten dhanyan by one prasth paddy with richness of her own qualities. Okay. कन्यया स्वीकृते प्रस्तावे ताम विधिवत. ये द का जब हम संधि डिसजॉइन करते हैं तो द का त हो जाता है. तो विधिवत उपगम्य स्वनगरम अनयत. सो कन्यया स्वीकृते प्रस्तावे व्हेन द गर्ल एक्सेप्टेड द प्रपोजल. प्रस्ताव यानी प्रपोजल. सो व्हेन द गर्ल एक्सेप्टेड द प्रपोजल he took her to his own town. Swanagaram anayat. He took her to his own town and married the girl with vidhivat, means according to the right. Vidhivat upagamya means according to the right. जब गुणवती कन्या ने प्रपोजल एक्सेप्ट की तब वह उसको अपने नगर में ले गया और विधि पूर्वक विवाह संपन्न किया.